Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video I'm going to teach you how you can run any kind of application inside emulator. You can use any emulator, any application. Okay, first of all, I can give you examples of any application like Revolut, like Kshape, like Astropay, like Redotpay, or like any other application. Okay, also after running that application inside emulator, you will be able to use the OBS virtual camera inside that emulator, inside that application directly. Okay, so first of all, you have to watch the video very carefully, then you will understand. Okay, the important thing is we have to do is simply, okay, emulator issues, but with bypass you can fix the specific issues. Okay, so here I activate a bypass. Okay, I will also show you from where you can get a bypass. My contact info is in my description. You can message me on my Telegram, etc., and you can get a bypass for any specific application, but avoid wasting my time, also avoid wasting your time. Okay, kindly, a lot of people are messaging asking for their product or wants me to make a bypass for them in free, so please avoid wasting your time and mine also. Okay, if you need something you must have to pay for it. Okay, for example, right here I just open this application. You can sign up properly, you can create account, you will not face any kind of issue. Okay, for example, if I have any account, okay, I can simply log in with Google also. Okay, this is just the examples I am showing you, that there will be no issue. As you can see, I already use one account here and everything is working perfectly. Now I will show you from A to Z. Okay, here if we click here on verify, you will be also able to continue your facial verification or anything like that. Okay, just let me put anything random detail right here. Okay, but first of all, this video is strictly only for education purposes. Okay, I am not responsible for anything illegal or any bad use. Okay, you will be responsible for that. Okay, I'm not responsible. So here if I select a document type, for example a driving license, you can select anyone. Okay, and here we can put our driving license number. Okay, so I don't have actually any driving license, so here I'm just going to put a random number, then I'm going to click on next. Okay, when I click on next, it will ask me to do a face verification. Okay, so actually for example, select your country of your documents. Okay, for example, if I select any country, okay, then after that you can select your documents. Okay, if I click here, now it asking me to allow. So before that, if I want to use the camera of OBS, I will have to click here on start camera, click here on allow, and after that you will be able to use a camera. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. Now you can see I can move the camera, it's working properly, there is no issue. You will not face any kind of problem, inshallah. Okay, so I'm not responsible for any bad use, for any illegal use. Okay, if you using it for bad use or any illegal purposes, you will be responsible for that. Okay, so now here just let me show you. Okay, the KYC, also the OBS camera working. Okay, OBS camera is working from OBS to emulator. Okay, from OBS to emulator. Okay, so this is how actually you can use the camera. Okay, you can submit your photo here inside inside OBS, and after that you will be able to use any kind of documents or anything, etc. Okay, also if you want to run a directly photos, okay, how you can use it. Okay, just give me the example. For example, if I want to use this, okay, I open it, and now as you can see, you can put that photo inside your OBS and it will start working properly. Okay, so if I restart the OBS, okay, launch anyway, but before that, wait a second, I have to turn off the stop virtual camera from here. I'm running a new OBS because I already running a recording here, so that's why. Okay, now I will hide this. Okay, wait a second, let me remind later. Okay, now I have to check this one because I'm recording from here, so I have to be careful. Okay, now from here you can click your photo, or for example if you're using any kind of picture. Okay, let's see, this is the important. Wait a second, click on documents. I have a file here. No, sorry, wait a second, I don't have it here. I have it on picture, sorry. Okay, so let's select this ID card. Okay, if I select this ID card, now I have to manage this ID card, but before that I have to click here on start virtual camera, and as you can see everything is working perfectly. There is no issue, no single issue. You can manage your card. It's depend on your card. Okay, that which type of card you're using. Okay, you must have to take a card which with full resolution, and which is with full angles. Like as you can see this card here, we have black problem, so you have to fix that properly, uh, because if you didn't fix it properly you will maybe you can face a problem. Okay, so be careful with everything. Okay, and you have to fix all of them. Okay, now for example let's take a look, let's take a picture. For example if I want to add any human picture. Okay, let's add it. So here I'm going to click on browse and scroll down. Here we have a picture, for example this picture. Let's take this one. Okay, now if I use the picture of this person. Okay, for example now it's perfect, it's actually very good, perfect. There is no side angle issue, there is no problem. Okay, everything is properly working. Okay, it's actually, they are actually asking me for ID card, not for picture. I'm just showing you the example that how you can do it. Okay, as you can see this is how now it's very perfect in the frame, so there is no issue that they will reject your ID card. Now if I want to submit, I can click here and I can submit it. Okay, so this is how actually you can do it. Okay, I'm not responsible for any illegal or for any bad use. Okay, I'm just showing you this for education purposes. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. In today's video this is all I want to show you. Take care of yourself, and this is how you can submit it. Okay, I'm just not going to submit that picture. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Okay, I'm just going to turn off the virtual camera. Okay, this is my recording which is on, everything is working properly. So see you next video, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.